this is Courtney with WTI, and this is my Fitbit Inspire watch. This is the perfect little watch. I absolutely love it. It's super easy to use and it meets all of my needs. It tracks your steps, it tracks how far you've gone, your calories burned, you can track your sleep. It's super comfortable to wear. You don't even realize that it's there. And the band is just like this really nice soft texture. It doesn't chafe or rub at all. They advertise that the battery life is 10 days, but personally I find that it usually lasts about 2 weeks. So they say it could vary, but I've been really happy to see that it's a very long lasting battery and that it recharges also very quickly. Probably fully charged within about an hour after you plug it in. So yeah, I think it's a great watch. It's a great value for a smart little watch. And I've just been very pleased, and I'm sure that you will be also. And that's my point of view.